What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another complex number from the October-November 2023 paper that was classified as difficult by the examiner. Now, why was it classified as difficult? Well, just look at what they had to say, mentioning that a high number of candidates didn't even attempt the question. In fact, almost 50% of the students didn't even offer a solution to part B, so make sure to stay to the end. Do you want to be one of these students? Remember that this whole question is worth almost 7%, and that's the difference between an A star and an A. In that case, if you're not a mediocre student, keep watching. Here, they give us a complex number and want us to put it into Cartesian form, which means the form x plus iy. Now, the hurdle we're facing here is the fact that our complex number is presented in such a way that we have two imaginary components, whereas x plus iy obviously only has one. If we go about this by splitting up the fraction into 3 over a minus 5i plus 2i over a minus 5i, that's obviously wrong, since it's not the form that we want. So then, what's the solution here? Well, we know that I squared is equal to -1. Therefore, to get rid of I and replace it with a real number, we must multiply somewhere by I. Specifically, we must rationalize the denominator. As you can see, once we do that, we can break things up. And get everything in terms of A, thereby answering the question for number 4A. Now for number 4B, it tells us that argU is equal to pi over 4. This means then that u is equal to arctan of pi over 4, which equals 1. Remember that arg is just another way of saying tan, and tan is opposite over adjacent. Since we have y is equal to 2a plus 15 over a squared plus 25, opposite, and x equals 3a minus 10 over a squared plus 25, adjacent, it follows then that 2a plus 15 over a squared plus 25 divided by 3a minus 10 over a squared plus 25 must equal 1. And so therefore we get an equation, and you can see that this becomes a equals 25.